The power of the law of attraction is real and transformative. With our OQS Japamala Lite app, you'll have a lightweight yet incredibly powerful tool to assist you on this journey of manifestation and creation of your ideal reality. Perform your Hooponopono 108 today with OQS Japamala Lite and free yourself from limiting patterns, allowing the energy of forgiveness, gratitude, and love to flood your life. Remember, every thought, feeling, and action emits an energy that attracts similar experiences. By using our tool, you'll be aligning your vibration with what you wish to attract, creating a powerful magnetic field of manifestation. Trust the process, maintain a positive mindset, and be open to receiving the blessings that the universe has in store for you. Your transformational journey begins now, with OQS Japamala Lite by your side.